Hello, you want to see how I achieved this smoky jellof rice? Watch this video so you don't miss out. I added butter, I added onion, scotch bonnet, thyme, rosemary, bay leaf, salt, seasoning cube. I'll fry it for 1 second. After 1 second, I added my washed rice that I washed with hot water. I will give it a very good mix until everything is combined. I'll add my tomato puree and I will give it a very good mix. I'm done mixing. I'll cover and allow it to simmer on a very low heat for 10 minutes. I checked on it. I gave it a very good mix. I'll cover again and simmer it for another 10 minutes. For those of you always coming to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, be a member of this family, turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. So I added water and I covered it and cooked it for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I added my protein, my mackerel fish and my boiled egg. I gave it a good mix and I'll cover and allow it to simmer for another 5 minutes. This is it, 5 minutes after our smoky jellof rice is ready. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.